Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is day 2 of working on the Lego Ninjago 4-weapons blacksmith from their 15-year anniversary set. So let's get into it. Today's build question is, what was your first or favorite first Lego Ninjago weapon? Mine was either the Sword of Fire or the Nunchucks of Lightning. We are also doing backs 2 and 3 today, so let's get into it. This is the end of bag 2, so now let's move on to bag number 3. That's all the time we have for today, folks. Make sure to like and follow for more builds. And the Lego Court is now dismissed. We got a jump up, kick back, whip around, and spin.